Hello, in front of me I've got Turtle Beach Vulcan II Max. In this video I'll show you how to create custom RGB effect. To create custom RGB effect, let's go to Swarm 2 app, select your keyboard and go to Illumination. Go to Custom and now select between Custom, All, Mine keys, WSAD, Arrow keys, Function keys or Num keys. Now you can adjust color of the RGB, shades, or you can change preset. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.